Hey guys, today let's discuss the program based on the concept of methods. This kind of program based on the concept of methods is always repeated in the ICSC examination of computer applications. The question is displayed on the screen. Design a class with the following specifications: class name, student, member variables, name, which stores the name of the student, age, which stores the age of the student, MKS, which stores the marks obtained by the student, stream, which stores the stream allocated to the student. Member methods: void accept accepts the name, age, and marks using the methods of scanner class. Void allocation allocate the stream as per the following criteria. The criteria is displayed on the screen. Void print display students' name, age, marks, and stream allocated. Call all the above methods in the main method using an object. Let's start answering the question. As given in the question, the program should be written using scanner class. So I am writing import java.util.asterisk. Class name in the question is given as student. So write the same class name. Now let's declare the member variables. The first member variable is name, which should be of string data type. So string name, and then the second member variable is age, which should be of integer data type. So int age. The third member variable is mks, which should be of integer data type. Int mks. And then the fourth member variable is stream, which should be of string data type. Now let's start writing the member methods. The first member method is void accept. So let's write the method prototype as public void accept. Now open the flower bracket. In this method, we are going to accept the name, age, and marks obtained by the student using the methods of scanner class. Here I am writing a print statement. I am copying the print statement as the program consists of many number of print statements. In this method, I need 3 print statements, one for name, one for age, and other for marks. In the first print statement, I am writing to accept the name of the student. And in the second, I am writing to accept the age of the student. And in the third, I am writing to accept the marks obtained by the student. Now in the question it is given to initialize the member variables using the methods of scanner class. So I am writing a scanner statement before the method. The scanner statement is scanner object name is equal to new scanner of system.in. I am giving the object name as in. So the scanner statement will be scanner in is equal to new scanner system.in. So now name is equal to in dot next line of. And now let's initialize the variable age. Age is equal to in dot next int of. And then marks, that is mks, is equal to in dot next int of. The second member method is void allocation. This member method is used to find the stream allocated to the student. Let's write the method prototype as public void allocate followed by parenthesis, and then open the flower bracket. The condition is if marks obtained by the student is greater than 300, the stream would be science and computer. So if mks is greater than or equal to 300, so print the stream secured by the student is stream allocated to the student is science and computer. And then the next condition, so if marks is greater than or equal to 200 and the marks is less than 300, the stream allocated to the student would be computer and commerce. So else if mks is greater than or equal to 200 and when marks is less than 300, the stream allocated is commerce and computer. So system.out.print stream allocated is commerce and computer. Stream allocated is commerce and computer. Okay. Then the third condition is if marks is greater than or equal to 75 and less than 200, stream allocated is arts and animation. So else if mks is greater than or equal to 75 and mks is less than 200, so print stream allocated is arts and animation. Okay, stream allocated is arts and animation. And then when none of the condition is satisfied, that is when the marks is less than 75, so else print not eligible to any stream. Please try again. Please try again. So all these conditions should be evaluated only when the marks is greater than 0. So add a condition for it, and then if the marks is not greater than 0, we should print as please enter correct marks. Please, so else system.out.print please enter correct marks. Here I realized that we made a mistake. So in the method void allocate, we should not use print statements, and in place of print statements we should use the variable stream. We should initialize the variable stream with the sentence. So let's make the modification. So if marks is greater than 0, the conditions would be evaluated, and then if marks is greater than or equal to 300, stream is equal to science and computer, and else if marks is greater than or equal to 200 and marks is less than 300, so the stream allocated is commerce and computer. Else if marks is greater than or equal to 75 and marks is less than 200, so stream is equal to stream allocated is arts and animation, and when none of the condition is satisfied, so else stream is equal to not eligible, please try again. Okay, and when the marks is not greater than 0, so it would be printed as please enter correct marks. So the next member method is void print. So let's try the method prototype as public void print. So in this method we are going to display the name of the student, age of the student, marks obtained by him, and the stream allocated to him based on his marks. So let's write 4 print statements. The name of the student is the name of the student is in the double quotes, and after the double quotes plus name. Name is a variable which stores the name of the student, and then age of the student is plus age. Age of the student is plus age, then marks obtained by the student. Marks obtained by the student is marks obtained by the student is plus MKS and then stream allocated to the student is plus stream. Now let's write the main method for the program. So the method prototype is public static void main. Now let's declare an object to call all the above methods. The syntax to declare object is class name object name is equal to new class name of. So here the class name is student. I'm giving the object name as obj. So student obj is equal to new student of. So let's call the all the above methods. Name of the first method is accept. So obj dot accept of. And the name of the second method is allocate. So obj dot allocate of. And then name of the third method is print. So obj dot print of. So this is the question and this is the answer for the given question. Now compile the program, and after making sure that there are no syntax errors, go to the output of the program. Enter the name of the student. I am entering the name as Mr. X. So the name of the student is Mr. X, and then the age of the student. The age of the student is 15, or better to say 19. Marks obtained by the student. Here the marks obtained by the student is better to say 350. So marks obtained by the student is 350. So the output is given, but I want the output in the last line to be printed in different lines. So let's modify the program. Again I am going into the code, and then under the method print, let's add ln after every print statement. So print ln, then they would be printed in different lines. So Mr. X, age 19 years, marks obtained is 350. So now they are printed in different lines. And then I want to still modify the program because I want a gap between the values entered by us and the output given by the program. So one more modification is the mark should be less than 500. So greater than 0 and less than 500, and if the condition is satisfied, all the other conditions would be evaluated, and if they are not satisfied, the else block would be evaluated. Now let's make other modification by adding the escape sequence /n in the first print statement of the method print. I am adding 4 /n escape sequences. Okay, now let's go to the final output of the program. I am entering the name of the student as Mr. X, age 19 years, the marks obtained by him is 350, which is greater than 300. So the stream allocated would be science and computer. This kind of program based on methods is always repeated in the Icse examination, and this program is taken from the Icse Computer Applications paper 2023.